Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates. I'm your host Omi and this is Omi Miss YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to like this video. Otherwise, I'm gonna become like the uncle after.
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5,000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए।
So let's see कि आज हमारी न्यूज़ के अंदर क्या अपडेट्स हैं. So let's start our first news. So crypto has gone from weird to cool thanks to NFTs, says Visa executive. Visa head of crypto Guy Sheffield said the mainstream users are setting up crypto wallets in waves to be part of the NFT sector. And we've seen कि NFT के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा boom आ गया. We have play to earn games, we have so many games coming, and also we have so many collections of NFTs coming every other day. So if we keep going on and if we see what he said, it used to be that if you get investing in crypto, you are kind of weird. And I kind of agree with that because I'm an early investor in crypto and everybody used to think I'm stupid, I'm weird, why am I investing money in all this? And people were like, I am some kind of guy who believes in Illuminati or some stuff like that, and that's the reason I'm investing in this and that's the reason I'm part of it. But that's not true. It's just about coincidence. Once tokenized rights and ownerships of these assets could be transformed seamlessly, improving liquidity, efficiency, this has the potential to substantially enhance economic opportunity and inclusion. So this is going to be a massive time when we are seeing big CEOs and companies already becoming bullish about NFTs. And this is going to be a massive upside for coins and tokens and blockchains that already offer NFTs such as AVAX, Solana, Ethereum, XRP, and many others. New York, one of our favorite places these days. Every day it's almost about in the news either through NFTs or through its new mayor who loves cryptocurrency. So today he said New York coin launching this week with Mayor-elect Eric Adams. Blessings. We're glad to welcome you, the global home of Web3, said crypto-friendly Mayor-elect Eric Adams in response to Citycoin rollout of the NYC coin this week. So crazy stuff going on. We're glad to welcome the same thing here. So basically they're gonna be having a own coin. Miami has already done that, and I think New York is gonna be the second city to follow pursuit in United States after Miami. And I love this guy now because he's doing great things. I like how he's approaching things, and I love the fact that he's thinking about his citizens above his government's benefits or anything else. Massive news yesterday. This could also be the reason why we dumped yesterday, because that's how it works. First we see the movements in the charts and then later on they're gonna tell you this was the news, that's the reason we dumped. So Apple CEO Tim Cook had an interview yesterday, and in that interview he revealed that he owns cryptocurrency himself, but Apple has no plans to add Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency to its portfolio. And that was the reason where market got a bit shocked, and they were expecting that maybe Apple will get into Bitcoin and become another big investor like Tesla. But that didn't happen. But they do offer Apple Pay solutions through cryptocurrency. He informed that in that video. So hopefully he has balanced it out. For me, it was not such a negative news nor a bullish news. I don't care if Tim Cook owns cryptocurrency or not. People only want to know all that because he's a CEO of Apple right now. If tomorrow he's not, it doesn't matter. What we matter is what is Apple going to be doing. So when Apple is already saying they're going to be offering cryptocurrency services, payment solutions through Apple Pay, that's a good sign. And knowing के future के अंदर this will be implemented, and obviously when they're going to be having more and more transactions through cryptocurrencies, the company will slowly develop interest as well, for sure.
This is business.
Hey!
I invested the money.
Stop talking! I will kill you!
Sorry, sir.
Hey! Dada, why?
Business.
Kazakhstan. So Kazakhstan won't restrict electricity to lawful crypto miners, minister says. The ministers and local mining industry sees renewable as a solution to Kazakhstan's energy woes. So mainly what's happening is since China banned, a lot of people traveled and they straight away went to Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan because electricity was available there and reasonably cheap, and they started mining there. As soon as they started mining there, electricity became quite short and difficulty in producing it and supplying it to citizens as well. So now the country wants to make up a bill where they don't make any problems for the citizens, companies, or even the miners, because miners consume a lot more electricity than all the other two. And yep, I hope this is gonna help bring the hash rates down, because right now the hash rates are quite high and we're still seeing that miners are facing a lot of difficulties. I've even watched a video where graphic cards are being transported in a whole airplane, you know, like there's no human beings on the seats but they're cartons filled with graphic cards. Massive
मस्त जोक मारा रे या हंस रे हलकट हंस
Massive news. I'm very happy for my friend, typically Dutch. Yesterday he announced his shoes. It got approved by MetaWare, and these shoes are beautiful. I also got them and I tried them out. This is his account. I would suggest all of you to go follow him. I got the pair of a shoe here and I was wearing. That's me in the Centerland. So that's all for our news, and do follow Typically Dutch. Great guy, great creator, and why do you want to miss out on great clothes? So let's see हमारे technicals में क्या चल रहा है, and let's start today with alt season. As we know, market is dipping, and as whenever we see market is dipping, we always want to see कि यार altcoins का क्या होने वाला है, altcoin pump करेंगे या नहीं. So altcoin month में we are at 61. If you guys remember, we were at here. We were about 38. तो बड़ा लंबा फासला ऑलरेडी हमने तय कर लिया है. Altcoin season में देखें तो we're already at 53, right in the center, and altcoin year has already started. We're in altcoin year. It's at 82. That's a great news.
और हमारी party हो रही है.
Crypto greed and fear index में देखें, so damn, today we're at 75. Obviously yesterday we were at extreme greed, and I mentioned कि हो सकता है by the time USA wakes up in the evening by Pakistan India time, we're going to be experiencing a massive pullback, which we did, and the market right now is pretty much sideways, and we're going to see further in our charts.
And billions and billions and billions and billions and
So
billions.
Ethereum के dominance को अगर देखें, we can see here clearly we are having a rise and rejection. We are making a big M here, which is a sign of a double top. We might just go down and the dominance could increase at any moment, which has increased already. Or USDT की dominance को देखें, it's been increasing since yesterday. That's because people are either taking profits or money's been moving. Mainly it's because people are taking profits. Even USDC, even in our USDT perpetual futures, similar thing. BNB is pumping right now as an ecosystem, and we're also seeing movement coming into altcoins. Solana also is having about 1.26% increase, 27%. Damn, that's increasing quite quickly. I feel like money is moving right now, and even Ethereum's dominance is settling down and becoming sideways most probably. BTC को देखते हैं, start लेते हैं. Let's see how BTC is. BTC made a new all-time high, and as we can see, the new all-time high is I think 68,366, somewhere like that. Or now we made a new higher low. The concern here is we didn't go to 70s and we're still here. From stock to flow model, we should be at 98k by the end of this month, and we're already about quite few days into it. We don't have much days. We've got about less than 20 days to make a massive rally. Obviously we can expect BTC to do that even a day or two, but still it's a bit of concern right now. And if we look at here, we're having the similar situation. Ethereum has gone sideways and it's just been chilling on its support. Nothing much happening when it comes to Ethereum at the moment. AXS, it has built a nice support from the bottom and now it's gaining momentum. It's been here since yesterday, 51 to 53. ADA is also in a pullback. Finally ADA made some moves yesterday, and now we can see ADA is back in on the support, on the top of support, which is very good. We don't want ADA to go back in and lose all the momentum of the gains. XRP has announced a DeFi system, so I expect some movement in XRP, but the problem is the SEC suit. The lawsuit never helps anybody. Whichever coin gets into it, then that coin's gone. That's what I've seen till now. Maybe I hope XRP does better. AR में देखें तो AR is also chilling on the support here right now. It's a good place to DCA. Obviously it's making base here and support. After that we can expect it to flow and obviously भी Solana की dominance भी बढ़ रही है, so as Solana will increase, RB will follow. Solana also look alright. Both AR and Solana are moving similarly in a similar pattern. AVAX को देखें तो AVAX is also trying to make a support on its previous all-time high, and this could be our next support zones for AVAX. Cake unfortunately haven't been bumping either, went to 20 then got rejected. Cake usually goes to 24 and in good days it goes to 30. I didn't see it go to 30 yet. Quite bored of Cake at this moment. Link को देखें तो Link अच्छा bump था, but similar problem, it has a massive rejection previously from 35 and is gaining momentum to go through that now. वैसे देखें तो it's in a nice uptrend and in a nice channel. अगर हम लोग इसी को ऐसे ले लें तो it's still taking support on the channel, so nothing to worry for now. लूना को देखें तो लूना भी यहीं पे consolidate कर रहा है. About been a while now, it's been sitting at 50, 51, 52. Uni finally did made some pumps. We expected it to keep pumping, but then made a massive dump. LTC massive pump from past few days, started from 6th November and very nice high. Kind of missed LTC this time, but it's a slow coin. I'd prefer to be in some other alt, or maybe it's just better to be in Ethereum. I like to stay in big cap coins. I feel like they're more secure in the dumps. They have more supports, and you might not have as much upside in them, but they're more peaceful to have. You know, you don't have to worry all the time. We're seeing the same thing in SLP also. SLP went here and now it's, you can say, making a higher low because it's higher than the previous low. 1 inch is also down, AGLD is down, OMG. Rune is kind of building up momentum now, but same thing for Rune. Rune is now in a strong downtrend, you know, and every time Rune gets rejected and then it just falls below from its high, so it's making lower lows at this moment. Inch expecting a lot, and even Suarez made a new NFT with Eternity, so I think Eternity must be pumping as well. Let's check out. It's doing alright. It's in a nice strong uptrend. Anchor Protocol was also pumping yesterday, which is a very important coin lately. Nair is also doing well. Mainly देखें तो market is sideways. Some coins are pumping, but overall if I look at the market, it's sideways, and mainly some projects are in correction or otherwise they're just gaining momentum. You know, we're gonna see what's happening on Ethereum. So I feel like maybe we're creating another support level somewhere here, so I'm gonna take it as support. And BTC में भी देखें तो we're facing a similar thing. We're making a new support level here. I expect us to, even if I look in a channel, तो we are doing pretty well. Like I won't say this anything to worry yet. इसको भी अगर हम लोग देखें तो it's in a very nice uptrend, ठीक है, but we're now sitting on the support. I just don't want BTC and Ethereum, either of them, to be making a double top कि अब ये एक और ऐसा top बनवा दें and then they bring us down. If we've had a nice pullback here, now we need to have a nice uptrend and carry on our journey, which we've been doing here. So let's see how the whales take the market for the next 24 hours. We're at a very key stage in the market, and especially in these days. Historical data shows us that we were supposed to have a dump on 10th November till 15th of November. So maybe these 5 days we might experience a short pullback or correction, but after that BTC always explodes. So massive upside coming very soon. Just be careful, don't get your money stuck in a problem right now where you can't get that upside that's coming in the next few days. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, smash the like button and share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you need any help, you can reach out to me on Twitter and Instagram. And take care, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.